before. Just like magic. Hey brother cousins, this is a shitty old chisel that me mate picked up from the old tip shop. Sharpened it up, used it well. It's a good chisel actually. She's Marple's brand, and but it's had a hard life and it's now pretty blunt. Okay, that was the 2 forts. Let's get some 1000 waterproof paper on it, get some water going. Not looking for perfection here. It's a tool that's going to get used and get filthy again. There you go, that's looking a bit shinier, eh? Flip it over. The other side. Crystal clear-ish. Okay, shiny. Now, sharpening. Still pretty blunt. Give it a go. And that's what lockdown rubbish looks like. Oh yeah. Cheers for the van ride. Kia ora whānau. Exciting day today. Bottling day. Yay. Whole lot of washing bottles. Okay. There's my 21 litres, about maybe 22. So now we need 122 grams of the finest table sugar. We'll take that and 2 cups of water. Bring it to the boil, 15 minutes. Sugar boiling. Bottles full of sanitising bleach. All out there. And hoses, sanitising as well. Okay, here's the star of the show, the beer. This is the setup. Beer goes through the tube, around the corner, into the other barrel. Got a stocking over there, woman's stocking. Got that from the cross-dressing shop. Didn't fit me right, so I'll use it today. That's going to act as a filter, catch any hops that are going through. And I'm going to chuck the sugar, the cooled down sugar syrup into there about halfway through. That's what it looks like inside. That's the before. Little bits of hops floating on top. Most of it's sunk down to this layer. That's hops and yeast down there. So we'll see if we can... Oh, I can't do it with one hand. Oh, maybe I can. Oh yeah, there goes the goodness. Down into the barrel. There we go. You want to avoid getting air into it. It's a nice colour. First cup of sugar syrup. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Now to start rinsing every single one of these out. I gave it a gentle stir to get the sugar all through. Here's the old stocking. Just it's got a bit of sludge in there. Just some old hops. Better off in the stocking than in the beer, eh? Some empty hop sludge looks like, by the way. It's mostly hops, and underneath that will be a layer of yeast. Let's get in there for you. Yeah, it's all mixed together. Anyway, it smells nice. The actual bottling begins. I'm doing it in this because I've got 3 of these. These are my taste testers and my colour checkers. Give it a go. Oh, it's not going to work unless you turn it on, you idiot? Okay, now she's primed, filling up. Now she's ready to go. Right up to the top. Nice little dribbles. One down, 22 litres to go. These Cousin Wuzzle puzzles, I like to do a little pre-bottle taste test at this point. That's what the colour looks like. It's going to end up looking pretty much that colour, except fizzy and not kind of sweet. Yeah, it's alright. What do I get? Yeah, it's going to be good. A good drinker. Not too cold and fizzy, that's for sure. Cheers. A classic. That's a real crate bottle. ABC. Long neck. Real long neck. Overflow. Half a sip I'll never get. Fun, the flip tops are easy, but you got your sanitised lid, you put it on your bottle, you work out if it's going to fit, just go up a tiny bit, up to there, you put your bottle on, lid's on loose, squidge it down, get it out. Ooh. And you got yourself a capped bottle. Smash it down. Repeat 30 times. Brewing Company represent. This is like an APA as well, except it's an Aotearoa Pale Ale. Well, in about 3 weeks' time, I'm going to be a busy follower. Going to be drinking all that. Should last probably one night. Sweet. Now, just to clear what we're looking for in 3 weeks' time. Clear and bubbly. At the moment, sugary. It's time to make a start on the coriander forest. Salad tonight goes good in coriander goes good in a salad. So let's do it. We'll just that'll. And I know you've been following the basil, so I'm going to cut some of that off for my salad. It's finally time. Washed coriander. Oh, it's going to be yummy. We're having pie and chips and salad for dinner. That's the mission. Carrots, avocado, all those herbs you just see me chop, and lettuce, of course, down the bottom. And there's some tomato in there too. It's going to be good. With any salad, it's important to get nuts in your mouth. That's how you make a man happy. Those nuts in there. Want to go on a date? Then put some dates in your salad too. Super. Right, got a limey lime off the tree. Microwave that for 10 seconds just to loosen her up. Olive oil, nuts are toasted. I mean, you'll just do this anyway, don't you? Don't you do this? Or do you just buy a bag? Put it in the sachet. Pumpkin and walnuts. The king of nuts. The walnuts. The salad. Awesome. Good. Got the garlics. $25 from Benoit's. Gonna get it in the ground. Go hard this year. break it into all the little ones. As if you didn't know. This is how you suck eggs. Down to the middle to these real skinny ones. Probably not even worth it. Just eat those. Come. Remember that black and white cat from the other day? Little bastard. Planted in there. Just got to cover them up. You can see them in their little holes. Still got heaps left. I think I'm going to need a bigger boat. A little boat. That'll take some. That's not. Stage 1 of compost. See all that green on there? That's the hops and the yeast from the home brewing. So I'm going to give that a flip. Garlic planted. All that's left now is to give it a bit of a water in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it. Those were the lettuce seeds I planted the other day. I've thinned them out a bit. You can see there's some chopped off sitting on the top. But yep, I'm going to have 12 good lettuces. The spring onions are beer bottling and garlic planting. Thrilling stuff, I know. Yeah, as you know, I'm pretty apolitical on this channel. National voter through and through. Blue is, I bleed blue blood. Yeah, I'm just a bit disappointed though, you know. My man Simon B, he's got the boot, you know. He was an orator, a gentleman, a genius. Paula Benoit, Paula Benefit, she's gone too. That's sad. I just got hit by a pair of shorts from idiots up there. I think that's funny. Yeah, you're on YouTube now. Yeah. Oh, I was trying to get all serious and then they really ruined the mood. Oh well. Let's just have a moment of silence for the old bridge man who's gone. He's slid off into the abyss of political nowhere. Don't worry, he'll get a job somewhere. ANZ, no doubt. Cool, anyway, I'll say catch you later. Oh shit, they're bombing me now. Say catch you later, be good. If you can't be good, then buy a stupid amount of garlic, way too much. It's probably going to be a year's supply if it comes off. If it fails, it's 25 bucks down the shitter. Yeah, catch you later. Day, clarity's improving. Top down. Where shall I take my next shit? So many choices.